वॉल्टर सर, आता लोकांनी 21 लोक येऊन सिग्नेचर मारल्यात. तुमकां दिसता सीएम हेजेर कितें एक्ट करता? इतक्या लोकांनी आता येऊन हांगा प्रोटेस्ट केलो, प्लस सिग्नेचरी मारले आणि आता ते डिमांड करता सीएमान कितें तरी एक्ट करचो म्हण हेजेर. तुमकां दिसता सीएम हेजेर कितें एक्शन घेतलो?
अरे बाबा, there were so many demonstrations here before for various things. सीएमाक आणि विश्वजीत राणेंक हांव एकूच सांग सोदता, look रे बाबा, you came to be servants with folded hands. अहे हात जोडून अहे येयलेले तुमी वोट मागपाक. आता इतको लोक पळय भायर सरला, तो कित्याक भायर सरला? तुमचे सारखे एकूय मिनिस्ट्री तुमची सारकी चलना. ईच ऑफ यू इज कवरिंग अप फॉर द अदर. हो सांगता तूं म्हाजे भायर काडशी, हांव तुजे भायर काडटलो. बाबा तुम्ही कितें चिंतलां? You are becoming worse than Hitler. Look at the police force where you have delivered the police force. Hitler Akbar, I know the history of Hitler. All you guys, you are following Hitler's history copybook style. Polisank तुम्ही हे SS केल्या, हेचेर केस घाल, तेचेर केस घाल.
सिग्नेचर जर कोणाचे उरलेले
Sentiments are hurt.
5 मिनिटं उरला. Within 5 minutes we are closing now.
Sentiments hurt, re. What about the sentiments of all these people now who are telling you to resign? मला म्हाकाय भितर उडयतो
बोर्ड्स उरला कोणाचे जाल्यार अशें हाडून दिवचे आम्हाला.
सांगा रे.
सिग्नेचर बोर्ड
लोक आता गोष्टो जाणटो नेणटो इतको लोक पळयला, तो सगळोच लोक सुटला. तुम्हीच बरे आहा? कम ऑन मॅन, डू अ रियलिटी चॅक. तुमच्या दोतोराशीन वच, सायकॅट्रिस्टाशीन वचा आनी बाबा तुमची तकली जाग्यार घाला रे. हे इल्लेल्या वस्तू डेली मरे लोक भायर आहा. वॉट हॅव यू डन? सीएम मागीर जाता सीएम सर, तुका सदांच सर म्हणटलो टिल युअर सीएम. वॉट हॅव यू डन अबाउट द तांबडे पीपीस केस ऑफ दॅट प्रोफेसर? Are you going to cover that up also? Forget about him having an affair with a student. I don't know how far legal that is. But breaking into lockers and providing her with a question paper. तुमच्या उरलेल्या भुरग्यांनी कितें करपाचें? तुम्ही हे एकामेकाक तांबडे पीपीस जातले न्ही, एक क्वेश्चन पेपर दितले रे. Come on, CM. Get a grip on your ministries and get a grip on yourself, and just look at all this crowd here who is asking you to change the TCP minister. नाका न्हू. फुडें मागीर इलेक्शन कोहे धांवते, कोहे रे साहेबा दारान वयतले लोकांचे वोट मारपाक. येयलेले दिसा तुमी लोकांक भायर काडला मरे. रामांक भितर उडयलो, शंकर उडयलो, म्हाकाय उडय रे फाल्यां. यू आर जस्ट डिगिंग युअर ओन ग्रेव, or you're tying your nisod before you are dead. अरे बाबा तुम्ही चलता देशपान न्हू. म्हाका दिसता मरे यमराज पासून येयलो न्हू मरना उपरांत, तेकाय तुम्ही सुप्रीम कोर्टान वतले दिसता. Remember one thing, this land was given by the Lord Parshuram, and his Kurat is waiting for you, followed by Yamraj with your list of karma, and you can't take him to High Court or Supreme Court. Pura itke denga.
Thank you.
Vishwajit Rane is the town and country planning minister of Goa, and at the same time Vishwajit Rane is himself a real estate dealer. This is a conflict of interest. How can a butcher play the role of a shepherd? A property broker, a property dealer cannot be the town and country planning minister of Goa. This is conflict of interest, and we want Vishwajit Rane to go away. We want Vishwajit Rane to go away because there is a conflict of interest. A butcher cannot be a shepherd. Remember my words? A butcher cannot be a shepherd. He is a butcher of land. How can he cultivate? How can he nurture land?
रोडांचे मातशे फ्री राहा ट्रॅफिकात प्रॉब्लेम करू नका
TCP minister सांगता की न्यू रिजनल प्लॅन इज नॉट फिजिबल फॉर गोवा म्हणतात.
New regional plan is very feasible if we involve everybody, all the people of Goa, all the panchayats, how the regional plan 2021 was formulated. We have to reorganize, rearrange the plan, considering the fact that many parts of Goa, especially forest area, green areas, CRZ areas, which are unmarked, have to be brought under protection. Otherwise, they'll be destroyed. You can imagine 26.5 lakhs square meters were about to be destroyed and we got saved. Still, this section 17(2) amendment is still continues. So he can still get the law through the back door. We need that this section amendment has to be scrapped completely. It is time for us to go to Supreme Court and get it scrapped. Otherwise, this man will bring it to some other door. Because Goa has a history, right from Babush Monserrat to Vijay Sardesai, then came Michael Lobo, and now our man Vishwajit Rane, who is the current DCP minister, has been the most corrupt ministry. And how can a minister hold two portfolios of forest department and also DCP? It's a conflict of interest. Besides being a broker, he's doing all this nonsense. Like he allows the cutting of trees, he allows the destruction of CRZ areas, he allows the concretization of the destruction of the groundwater. How entire earth, entire Goa has been destroyed completely by this man. So we have to get him out and ensure that once this man is out, the new person who comes doesn't repeat this nonsense. Yeah? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.